The firemen eat here.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Yay. Do you know what La Fogata means?
Campfire.
Yay. Oh, I'm filming you.
That wasn't part of a deal. Hey, let me video.
All right.
As we enter La Fogata, one of our favorite restaurants.
Fun stuff.
Remember, no smoking indoors.
That's all over the whole beach.
Welcome to La Fogata.
All right, this is what firemen eat when they come to La Fogata. Hi guys. Say hi.
How are you doing?
How is it?
Excellent.
All of it?
Every bit of it.
What's your recommendation?
Taco Loco right there.
All right. Thank you.
Loco's the chicken nachos right here.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yes.
I'm going to try that.
Hi.
All right.
Just wave.
Thank
How
you.
you
Okay.
Lovely fresh corn chips and salsa. All fresh. All made here. Good stuff. That's our taco salad. It's been a little stirred up, but it still looks good.
Yum.
And this is mine. Tacos, rice and beans. Yay! All right, we're eating now.
Go night-night now.
Yeah.
Go night-night.
It's siesta time.